the Rumba One. And again, we start in a loose closed hold, and it carries the same first 2 bars as your Salian Cha-Cha-Cha. You have a basic step, 1, 2, 3, and a lady's underarm turn, 1, 2, 3. We've now adopted double hold. We're now going to dance shoulder to shoulders, which are like outside checks. Gentleman on his left foot going outside on the lady's left side. Check, replace to the side. He'll repeat this on his right foot to the lady's right side. Check, replace to the side. So that's our first 4 bars. Let's put that together. So we have basic lady under, 1, 2. Now our checks, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bars 5 to 8, we carry on with another outside check. Gentleman, left foot going towards your lady's left side. Check, replace to the side. We now dance a check through the middle, a New Yorker type action. Gentleman on his right, lady on her left. Check, replace to the side. We're going to now release the hold and dance a spot turn, gentleman turning to his right, lady turning to her left, and we're stepping through the middle against the line. Turn, 2, 3, and we adopt handshake hold. So we just do those bars for you again. We've got one of our outside checks, check, replace to the side, both through the middle, and then both spot turn around, 2, 3. That's put us into our handshake hold. To finish bar 8, we dance 3 curving walks, backward for the gentleman, forward for the lady. The man commences on his right foot, the lady will commence on her left foot. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the gentleman has curved to back the line of dance. So let's put that on to the beginning, and that's halfway. So gentleman left, lady right, we have basic step, lady under, 1, adopt your double hold, your outside check for 1, outside check for 2, outside check, now both through the middle, 1, 2, release the hold for the spot turn, and adopt your handshake hold and walk, 2, 3. Now, moving on from here, we have a rock, which is gentleman left, lady right. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we've just rocked from one foot to the other. We now repeat the walks, gentleman on his right foot coming forward, lady on her left foot going backwards, and again curving it so that the man ends facing the wall. Round, 2, 3. We now move to 2 little rock steps. Down the line first, 1, 2, close together, and then against the line, 1, 2, 3. So if we could go back to where you adopt your handshake hold and dance the walks into the middle, the rocks, the walks back out, and the little rocks. So gentleman right, lady left, your walks, and 1, 2, rock, 1, 2, walk back out, 1, 2, now rock to the side, 1, 2, close together, and against the line, close. So adopt your hold and let's dance it from the beginning. Gent left, lady right, and basic lady under, into your double hold. Your outside checks, that's 2, and here's your third. Both check through the middle, release the hold for the spot turn. Adopt handshake hold. Walks, 2, 3, and rock, 2, 3. Walk, 1, 2. Now rock to the side, down the line of dance, and against the line there. Now we're going to move now into a chassé, or a side close side, which will allow the lady to move into shadow hold. Side, close, side. Now we're going to dance 6 walks down the room. Gentleman on his right foot, lady on her left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we finish the dance with a spot turn, turning outwards away from our partner. 1, 2, 3. And we've adopted our close position to start again. So let's put the last little bit together. That's from our side closes or our chassé that you can relate it to in the glossary. So gentleman's on his left, lady's on her right. Side, close, side. 6 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spot turn. 1, 2, 3. So that's good. Let's put that all together now from the beginning. So here we go. Gent left, lady right, and basic lady under. Into the double hold. Your checks, 2, 3, check, 2, 3, check. Now both through the middle, check. 1, release the hold for the spot turn. Now your curving walks, 1, 2, now the rock, 1, 2, curve back, 1, 2, 3, rock to the side and rock to the other side. The little side chassés into shadow hold. Your 6 walks down the room. 1, 2, and your spot turn. 1, 2, 3.